Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook breast chicken. First, trim any excess fat and pat them dry. This helps achieve a better sear. Next, pound the chicken to an even thickness, around 3/4 of an inch. This ensures even cooking and prevents one part from drying out while another is still undercooked. Finally, season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices for maximum flavor. Pan-searing is a fantastic method for juicy, flavorful chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Place the seasoned chicken breasts in the hot pan and sear for 5 to 7 minutes per side. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown crust. The key is not to overcrowd the pan, allowing each piece to sear properly. After cooking, the most crucial step for tender, juicy chicken is resting. Transfer the cooked chicken breasts to a cutting board and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal temperature to equalize and the juices to redistribute, preventing them from running out when you cut. Once rested, slice the chicken against the grain into 1/2-inch thick pieces for the most tender bite. Perfectly cooked chicken breast is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it simply with a fresh green salad and a light vinaigrette for a healthy meal. You can also slice it and add it to sandwiches, wraps, or even pasta dishes for a protein boost. For a more substantial dinner, pair it with roasted vegetables like asparagus or broccoli, or a hearty grain such as quinoa. The possibilities are endless for this lean protein.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.